Hi, everyone. I want to talk real quick. I'll keep this short about having emergency supplies, food. There's hurricanes, and fortunately, I don't live in an area where there's hurricanes, but um, sometimes, I mean, I've heard some statistics and things that are kind of shocking that a lot of people do not have even a week's worth of food. They couldn't last a week, water and food and so on. So I'm going to give you a few simple things that you can do, very cost effective, and it's also very effective as far as storing this food. It won't take much room, a small portion of a closet maybe, and you could last a year. So what we need to get is essential amino acids. That comes from protein. But this is for emergency. So you need to get an essential amino acid formula, something like this. I'm not affiliated with any of these products, but essential amino acids. And then I also would get some capsules that have all the essential amino acids just so you get a broad range um, of the essential amino acids. Amino acids come from protein, but you can get by with essential amino acids. It's in a singular form. So that's the first thing. Get 10 of those. Get Now you also need essential fatty acids. How do you get that? Extra virgin organic olive oil. Again, not affiliated with any of these products, but get 10 big jugs of that. Okay, so now you've got your essential fatty acids, you've got your essential amino acids. Now, how about energy? Well, get 10 bags of rice, organic rice. Of course, I always recommend organic. That's going to last you a long time, a long time. You and your family. Now you've got food that's easily stored that will last you've got your essential again amino acids and fatty acids. Last thing, get a multiple vitamin. This has I don't know, a lot of stuff in it. So if you do those things, you get that's easy to store, and now you don't have to worry. Well, you know you shouldn't worry anyway. Um, but now you have the supplies if something does happen. Now, also, of course, you need water. Which is going to be more to store. My wife and I, we use a Berkey and we filter all of our water. But that's something also you need to have plenty of water. So you need to buy gallons of uh, distilled water or spring water so that you can have that to drink, just in case something happens to the tap water. And of course, when you make the rice, you need some water. So hopefully you'd be able to at least get water out of the tap or get it somewhere. But sometimes, like these hurricanes that have happened on the East Coast of the United States, it damages the water also. So um, that's where our Berkey comes in. It's an expensive filter, but you got to figure out your water too. But with those things, you'll be fine and you'll be able to survive for a long time. So I just wanted to do that quick video and let you know if you guys like working out, subscribe to the channel. We do interviews with nutritionists, personal trainers, and we talk about fitness and so on and health. So subscribe to the channel. I am affiliated with a few products. You can see those in the description, but I won't go over those. So that's my input on survival food.